Welcome to Chapter 10, Grade 9 students. Actually, Lesson 10, Complex Tables. This is the first exercise, and so open up a new lesson document and title it A Complex Table. Once you've done that, I want you to save it as a complex table. .html. Once you've done that, I now want you to make the background color equal to FFCC33. Don't forget to put in your quotation marks there. Place a table on the document with a start and end table tag. So we know that this goes in the body tag. Starting right here, table. It's always good practice to return a couple times or enter and put the closing tag in so you don't forget it. So once you have that in, give the table a border of 2 pixels. So the border function or attribute is put in the beginning table tag. Want to be 2 pixels, so we add that. Next, we'll make the table 50% height and of the browser and 80% width. So this is done also right in this window, or this tag, sorry. Height equals 50%, and also the width equals 80%. Okay, now we want to create a table row. So that's done by the tr tag, as you know. Create a table cell by the td tag, and type in cell 1, and then we want to go ahead and close the td tag. Next, we want to create another cell. Start and end td tags. What I like to do usually is just copy and paste and then put cell 2. It's also asking us to do that 2 more times. What I'm going to do to conserve some time is just copy and paste those 2 as well and change them to cell 3 and cell 4. So then we want to close the table the row tag. Once we've done that, we now want to create another row with 4 cells, just as this one. So we might as well just conserve time again. Copy, paste, but this time we are going to make it read cell 5, cell 6, cell 7, cell 8. Create a new table row with the start and end tr tags right below this. And I'm just going to copy paste it again because that will be the quickest. And then just add in cell 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's now save that. So Control S. And let's view it. And that's what it should look like in your browser. Noting that all the cells have the borders around them because we added that. They have all the specific names that we added. So that is good. Next, what we'll do is we're going to learn about row span and column span, or col span. So let's take a look at the col span first. We want to make our table look like that. So what we need to do is we need to go to the code for cell number 2, and we need to include a col span attribute with a value of 3. meaning 3 rows that we're going to have it span. Save that, and let's refresh our browser. So as you can see, we do have cell 2 spanning 3 columns, however it pushed these ones over. So now we need to go back to our table and get rid of those extra cells, and those are cells 3 and 4, so we'll simply just go in and delete them. And now save it, Control S, refresh, and there you go. We have a column span. Cell 2 spans 3 columns, and it's now into 1 cell. Looks like a merge when you do that in a table in Word. Now that we've done a col span, we want to do a row span. So going back to our example, we want to create a table that has 2 cells, that spans 2 cells in the row. Whoops. So let's do a row span in cell 5. And this is just done by adding row span is equal to 2, because we want it to go around 2 over 2 rows. Okay. Now let's save that by Control S. Waiting for the update, so cell 5 does do that now. You'll notice cell 12 is now over here, making our table a bit weird. We can fix that. We just need to delete the code for cell 9, and it'll put everything back into place for us. Make sure to save it. Update our browser, and there we go. So that is the first exercise, folks. Hopefully you understand it nicely.